Have you ever hit the snooze button one too many times, only to rush through your morning feeling stressed and behind? Or maybe you skipped a workout, promising yourself you'd do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. We've all been there. It's that familiar, nagging feeling, a tiny voice that whispers, "I should have." That, my friends, is the sting of regret. But what if I told you there's another kind of pain, a better kind? The kind that builds you up instead of tearing you down. Today, we'll be talking about two very different types of pain that shape our lives, the pain of discipline and the pain of regret. As the saying goes, the pain of discipline weighs ounces, while the pain of regret weighs tons. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth about how we build the life we want. So, the big question is, which pain will you choose today? Let's break it down. The pain of discipline is the discomfort you feel when you push yourself. It's the burn in your muscles during that last set of squats. It's the mental strain of studying for an exam when you'd rather be watching a movie. It's the awkwardness of having a difficult but necessary conversation. This pain is immediate, it's intentional, and honestly, it's not always fun. It requires effort, sacrifice, and a commitment to your future self. It's the eat your vegetables before dessert of life. It's the conscious choice to do the hard thing now for a better outcome later. Now, let's flip the coin and look at the pain of regret. This one is sneaky. It doesn't show up right away. It's the quiet, hollow feeling that settles in months or even years later. It's the what if that echoes in your mind when you think about the business you never started, the language you never learned, or the relationship you let fade away. Regret is the ghost of a missed opportunity. Unlike the pain of discipline, which is temporary and productive, the pain of regret is a heavy, lingering burden. It's the weight of knowing you had a choice and you chose the path of least resistance, which ultimately led to a place you didn't want to be. Think about it in terms of health. Waking up early to go for a run is a form of discipline. It's tough, especially on a cold morning. Your bed is warm and comfortable. Your body might feel stiff, but once you're done, you feel incredible. You're energized, proud, and ready to take on the day. The pain was temporary, but the reward improved health, more energy, a sense of accomplishment, is long-lasting. The alternative, choosing comfort, sleeping in, skipping the workout, grabbing a sugary snack instead of a healthy one. In the moment, it feels good, it's easy. But fast forward 5, 10, or 20 years, the consequences of those small, daily choices can accumulate into serious health problems, low energy, and the deep regret of not taking better care of your one and only body. That's the tonnage of regret. You can't go back and make a different choice. This applies to every area of our lives. Consider your career. The pain of discipline could be staying late to finish a project, taking an online course to learn a new skill, or networking, even when you're an introvert. It's challenging. It takes you out of your comfort zone, but this effort compounds, okay? It leads to promotions, new opportunities, and a sense of professional fulfillment, okay? The pain of regret in a career, okay? That's staying in a dead-end job you hate because it's familiar and safe. So watching others advance while you stay stagnant, wondering what could have been if you had just put in the extra effort. It's realizing years later that you settled for less than you were capable of. That's a heavy weight to carry every single workday. So how do we make the shift? How do we consistently choose the productive pain of discipline over the crushing weight of regret? It starts with a change in perspective. Stop viewing effort as a punishment. Start seeing it as an investment in your future self. Every time you choose discipline, you are casting a vote for the person you want to become. You're sending a signal to yourself that your future goals are more important than your present comfort. So a practical way to do this is to start small. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. That's a recipe for burnout. Instead, pick one area you want to improve. Just one. Maybe it's your fitness. Don't commit to running a marathon next month. Commit to a 10-minute walk every day this week. The pain of discipline here is minimal, just putting on your shoes and heading out the door, but the victory is real. You've proven to yourself that you can follow through. Once you build that small habit, you build momentum. Your brain starts to rewire itself. It learns that the temporary discomfort of effort is followed by the reward of pride and progress. You can then apply this principle to other areas. Want to write a book? Don't think about the whole book. Just commit to writing 1 page a day. Want to save money? Start by setting aside a small, manageable amount from each paycheck. Each small act of discipline is a brick, and over time, you build a fortress of self-respect and achievement. Another powerful tool is visualization, but not just visualizing the success. Visualize the regret. Really feel it. Imagine yourself 5 years from now in the exact same spot you are today, having made no progress on your goals. What does that feel like? Let that feeling sink in. Let it be a powerful motivator. Now, contrast that with visualizing the outcome of discipline. Imagine yourself 5 years from now, having put in the work. You're healthier, more skilled, more confident. Okay, the path was harder, but where did it lead you? Use the fear of regret as fuel to embrace the discomfort of effort. It's also crucial to remember that this journey is yours alone. Don't compare your pain of discipline to someone else's. Your chapter 1 might be their chapter 20. Focus on your own progress. Did you do a little better today than you did yesterday? That's a win. Celebrate it. Acknowledge the effort you put in. Positive reinforcement is key to making discipline a sustainable habit rather than a temporary phase. Let's be clear, this isn't about being perfect. You will have days where you choose comfort. You will slip up, and that's okay. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. When you have an off day, don't let it spiral into an off week or an off month. Don't let one choice for comfort turn into a lifetime of regret. Acknowledge it, forgive yourself, and get back on track the very next moment you can. The choice resets constantly. The beauty of this concept is that the choice is always available to you. Every single day, every single hour, you are presented with a crossroads, the path of ease and comfort, or the path of effort and discipline. One path feels good now and hurts later. The other path hurts now and feels amazing later. So I'll ask you again, which pain will you choose today? Will you choose the temporary sting of effort that leads to growth, pride, and a life you designed? Or will you choose the short-term ease that slowly builds into the crushing, irreversible weight of regret? The choice, as always, is yours. Make the one your future self will thank you for. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your best life. I'll see you in the next one.